Hello again. My name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another edition of my Georgia workers' compensation video series. In this series, I provide you with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today is another edition in my form series, which is basically a series which talks about the forms used in Georgia workers' compensation law. Today we're going to talk about the form WC-R1, which is a document used either to designate your case as catastrophic or to request rehabilitation in your case. But before we jump into that, be sure and be on the lookout for my upcoming video in the series about what are temporary partial disability benefits. Now let's talk about that form WC-R1. Most of the time, if you receive this form in your case, it may be a request by the insurance company or your employer to designate your case as catastrophic. That's normally the first time that you'll see it. In other words, if the insurance company agrees that your case qualifies for catastrophic designation, they should file this form. And after they file it and request appointment of a rehabilitation supplier, the State Board of Workers' Compensation should issue a decision that designates your case as catastrophic, as long as you don't file an objection. If your case has already been designated as catastrophic, then either you, your attorney, or the insurance company or their attorney may use the form WC-R1 in order to modify rehabilitation. It can be used either to request a change in catastrophic rehabilitation to supplier or to reopen rehabilitation after rehabilitation has been closed. Now it may be important here to understand what a catastrophic rehabilitation supplier is. I've talked about that in another video and an article on the blog on our website, but to summarize it today, basically it's a person who's often a nurse who's appointed to help coordinate medical treatment and potential return to work in your workers' compensation case. Formerly, under the law, more than 25 years ago, rehabilitation was applied in pretty much every workers' compensation case, but in the last 25 years, it's really only provided, in the most part, in cases which are designated as catastrophic. So again, this form WC-R1 allows you to request reappointment of a catastrophic rehabilitation supplier if your rehabilitation has been closed, or to request a change in your current supplier if there's some issue there and there's a reason that you need to change to a different catastrophic supplier. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have, the best way to let me know is by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you want more information about Georgia workers' compensation, there's 3 good ways to find that out. One is by visiting our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel. You can view all the videos from our Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there, and you can subscribe to be notified of future videos. You can also visit our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and do 2 things there. One is read articles on our blog about workers' compensation, and the second is if you have some specific questions about your case, you can reach out to me to schedule a free consultation by completing the free consultation request form there and submitting it, and we'll reach out to you to schedule a consultation, or you can call us at the phone number on the bottom of the screen and we'll set a consultation up for you. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.